Yo, what's up, YouTube? I look dumb as fuck right now. I ain't got no type of tent. But, you feel me? I was driving, finna go to the car wash and wash my car. My shit dirty as a fuck right now. But yeah, I just thought I'd pick it up. I ain't record a video in about a month, shit. And I said I ain't gonna do it the next week. But yeah, a whole bunch of shit happened. Car got fucked. I just had to shake back for a little bit. But I'm gonna give y'all this video. Hopefully I'm gonna do something on the net. But yeah, I'm just gonna go to up the street real quick to a car wash. And just, yeah, you feel me? Just chill. It's a little friendly cruise to the car wash. I don't know if I'm gonna record the way back though, or if I'm gonna record there. Shit, I might not though. Only cause I feel like that shit'll be boring as fuck. I don't want to pull up next to nobody. I still ain't got no fucking tent. I know I look crazy as hell. Got this big ass thing on my fucking head. But yeah, I'm really just trying to chill. But if somebody want to play on God, I'm gonna play with that. Nah, I ain't like, I'm not chilling. But yeah, hang on, let me get that. Why were y'all trying to ride in a bunch? That shit crazy as hell to me. I ain't going too fast. But yeah, I just been chilling, man. For real. I hope y'all like and comment, man. Subscribe if you new. Tell your grandma about me and shit. I'm in shit like that. Nah, let me stop. See, that's that dumbass shit that I be talking about, bro. All these niggas pull out doing slow than a bitch. I know the police be down here though. Oh God. But yeah, man. How y'all lives been, man? Mine been pretty fucked. They just keep doing a nigga wrong. Nah, let me stop. Y'all comment down below if y'all do want me to do a story time though. I got a couple stories. It's crazy as hell. But yeah. What this is? Nah, that might be a scat. I'm gonna let the window down so y'all can hear that shit. That ain't no damn scat. That's an RT. I'm tripping. I'm looking at the back bumper and shit. That's a GT. Trying to play. Yeah, that's too loud. I know y'all can't hear shit. But yeah, I'm going to a hand wash. Well, not a hand wash necessarily, but like a self-washing type deal. What's this shit called? Car wash. Cause my bumper fucked up. I'm gonna show y'all my bumper when I get out. When I get there, and I'm gonna show y'all how dirty my shit is too. But I did tint my side markers. I ain't go all the way black, but them hoes tinted for shit show. Ain't see a damn thing. I left one undone so y'all can see it. See the difference. But yeah. I'm not trying to fuck with old dude. alignment fucked up. Y'all see my fucking alignment, man? Shit fucked. But I'm chilling though. My alignment is fucked up. That shit like $200 at the dealership I saw. Then tomorrow I gotta go. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I gotta do it soon though, cause I gotta get the bracket for my bumper, my front bumper. It's on the right side. That bitch fucked, bro. Like that bitch broke off and that hoe hanging. But I know how to change that shit. Well, I can look up on YouTube how to change that bitch. Chill. His ass not trying to play still. I hate a pussy. I know I ain't got that much gas. I got some gas. Like what, a half a tank? That shit crazy as hell. On the cool, I don't know where the fuck I'm going. When I see that hoe, I know I gotta do a U-turn for shit show. But yeah, and I wanna get some decals. That was random as hell. I wanna get some decals though on my YouTube on it and Instagram. Nah, but on some real stuff, bro. Y'all gotta let me know on Instagram where the comments be at. Oh God, I wanna pull up. I wanna pull out so bad, bro. But I don't even know where them bitches be at. Grinding on me, the western night. You can see it in my eye. Love mama so hood. I love your girl. Man, let me tell y'all about this bitch. Nah, let me stop. Nah, but I did get fucked over by a girl. I got fucked over, but like it wasn't even to the point where like I was hurt. I was just like surprised, my nigga. Like, damn, my nigga, you got the audacity to fuck me over? You not even, you know, bro. Like, what? Oh, lank ass. I mean, but you know, I gotta leave people alone. I ain't had no kids yet. I can't be talking about people's kids. But like, bro, bitch, you wasn't even top tier. And you know, bro, what? I slapped the shit out of her ass, bro. She just pissed me off. And that shit just sent me over the fucking moon. It really took me there, bro. And my fucking girl best friend, she act like she don't know how to call a nigga and shit. Want a nigga to do all the fucking calling. Yeah, I'm talking about your ass. You know who I'm talking about. They are not paying attention at all. Barely made the light. Get over here, people. U-turn up here. Yeah, it is. There go right there. I gotta do a U-turn, pull in this bitch. Hopefully they got some dollars. I mean, got some change. I need some dollars. All I got is dollars. Pull up down here. Now, which one? I'm gonna pull up right here. Alright. Look, I'm finna show y'all how fucked up my shit is. Y'all tell me y'all like the fucking head mount. I ain't for that picture. But, let me show y'all. My shit fucked. Oh, bro, look. I mean, it's cool. I'm gonna fix the shit, but I got my rims. Y'all see it? My shit black. My tinted all my side markers and shit. You see how dirty that shit is? That shit disgusting, bro. Still ain't got no tint. But yeah, I got the gas cast, you know. But yeah, I just been chilling. But look, I'm gonna pick y'all up when I'm on the way back to the pad. I just want to show y'all some shit. Alright, I just finished. Feel me? I need to figure out the fucking towel, man. So that bitch don't even look like it's clean. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna hit it one more time, though. Fuck it, I know. Oh, God. And October, I'm definitely going to Beaumont. I'm gonna go to Beaumont and go to Lamar University. My partner out there. I'm glad I'm going to the Halloween party. I got to see it through, my boy. I ain't gonna lie, am I tripping? Well, my shit sound like it got a fucking supercharge on it. I don't know if y'all can hear that shit, bro, but oh God, that whole sound like it got a supercharge on it. Hold on, no, that's definitely up. Nah, ain't no dumb one. That whole nice though, I ain't gonna lie. What the fuck is this, an Infinity? 35. Let me see. Nah, that's not down 35. I'm tripping. 37. Is this ass gonna drive this bitch, dude? I ain't gonna lie, that's one thing I can say. People do move out of your way. People move out of your way. Like, that's the craziest shit ever. Well, this nigga trying to fucking... Where's you going, nigga? Like, what? Alright, bet. Since you wanna drive, let's drive down. Wherever you go, I'll go. To my shit. This shit already fucked up. Alright, come on over, we gotta drive though. Let me get over. Appreciate it. You gotta drive that bitch, drive that bitch. I drive my line and still fucked up. On God. See my shit. Shit fucked. You really think that bitch doing something, boy? I'm walking your shit down, boy. That bitch not doing shit. Like, what? But bro, driving like that with a fucking kid in the car. One wrong move, bro. That shit real. Niggas don't believe that shit, bro. All it takes is one person not paying attention. I don't want to ride with y'all, nigga. What the fuck? That shit is annoying. You fuck want to ride in a group of people, bro. And that shit dried up on my car, so my shit look like it's still dirty. That shit just blew me, bro. Not even gonna fake it. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm probably finna end this vid when I get to my next light. Only cause y'all niggas nosy as fuck, and I don't want y'all to see where I live at. Unless you already know. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, my shit sound like he got a turbo. Not a turbo, down supercharger. Y'all can't hear that bitch though, oh God. I'm not geeking. Yeah, y'all let me know what my next mod should be. What should my next vid be, in fact? Another POV. Y'all wanna see me spin my shit. And like, one thing I'm not doing though, I'm not turning traction all the way off, bro. I don't wanna talk about it. I'm just not doing that shit ever again, bro. But that, bro, hey, just know. Shit I am well. Yeah, I don't need the fucking detail when I'm like that, bro. Oh. Oh God, you'll think my shit was a skip up. Oh, it's a Hellcat. You hear that whine up? Nah, let me stop. Ain't no damn Hellcat. Nah, but real shit, vid finna come to an end. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all just make sure y'all like and follow. Not like, yeah, I ain't lie. Follow my Instagram, like this hoe, and subscribe to this. But go follow my Instagram. My Instagram should be in the right corner, the bottom right corner. But y'all gonna follow my Instagram, my TikTok, cause I'm gonna be posting shit. I'm gonna be start back posting shit. None that I got this head mount and shit. This is what I was really waiting on. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna fuck with y'all boys.